Loading your trailer is simple, but it's important that it's done right. In this video, we're going to give you a few helpful tips to ensure your safety and those you share the road with. The most important thing to consider when loading your trailer is how the weight is distributed. You need to have more weight in front of the trailer axle than behind. The best way to load your trailer is to have 60% of the weight in front of the trailer axle and 40% of the weight behind. Too much weight behind the trailer axle can result in trailer sway. Too much weight in front of the axle can result in poor braking conditions. And finally, make sure your load is secure. A good way to do this is using ratchet straps or tie downs. Be sure to use these helpful guidelines when loading your trailer. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and if you need any other towing information, please visit us at curtmfg.com.
Curt, the first name in towing products.